I think I have the photo darkroom blues. This is what my darkroom looked like 2 weeks ago. Two beautiful enlargers. It was a room that we built just to be a darkroom. Nice big sink, quiet, nice exhaust fans. It was just what I wanted. And I've had it for years, and it was certainly a highlight of the house for me. However, we've sold the house. We're moving. We live a couple hours north of Toronto, and we're moving to Quebec. So I'm losing the darkroom. So this is what my darkroom looks like now. Now, the new place looks like it will have room for a smaller darkroom. And I've already decided, I'm going to have to go down to one enlarger. I've gotten rid of the Leica V35. It's a wonderful, wonderful enlarger, super sharp Leica lens, but only does 35 mil. And if you're only going to have one enlarger, I need to do 2.25. So I've taken my enlarger to KHB PHOTOGRAFIX in Welland, Canada. He is probably the world expert on enlargers at this time. Like, he refurbishes enlargers, he sells enlargers new. If you need darkroom equipment, timers, enlargers, lenses for enlargers, tanks, reels, anything to do with the darkroom, KHB in Welland, Canada is the place. He ships around the world. Anyways, he's going to tidy up, clean up my V35, and he's going to sell it. And if you need anything to do with photography darkroom, he's your man. I'll put the link below. Now, I'm going to a new house. We think there's going to be room for a darkroom. Like, we looked at the basement. I'm expecting to put in a darkroom. If it doesn't work out that way, that'll be kind of bad, tragic, unfortunate, because it's a great part of my enjoyment of life. However, there is a local college that rents open darkroom time, so that's a backup. Anyways, we've sold the place. We're packing up. We're moving this week to Quebec. We're going to squeeze in a road trip because the new house in Quebec isn't quite ready. We've got about 4 or 5 weeks to fill. And we're on the road. We're going to go back out west, take some photos. Hopefully I'll have a new darkroom to print them in. And people say, like, what? You're moving from Toronto area to Quebec? Why? Why would you do that? I just can't take the Leafs anymore. 60 years they've been telling me it's going to be this year. I just can't take it. Now, by the time I've got this video done, the Canadians might be out of the playoffs too, but I just can't take the Leafs. I'm moving to Quebec. I'm not sure when I'll post again. I'm going to go on the road. I'm going to take some photos. I won't have a darkroom for a while. I hope you've enjoyed the trip.